Hi, this is Vishwajit. I hope you had a nice, relaxing, long weekend. I had an interesting thought over the weekend. I thought in this day of yoga journal and beautiful magazines and HD photography and 1080p resolution, it appears that when we see yoga poses, asana practice being done by people, it's just perfect. People are in the perfect posture. And so when we do our asana practice, we also try to aim for perfection. We're always stretching and pushing and trying to push our bodies to try and be a perfect pose like that of what we saw in the magazine. But that's actually not what asana practice is about. The idea of asana, the idea of yoga, is actually tuning into your body and understanding its subtle messages to you. So when you do your pose, it's about listening and tuning into the feedback from your body and understanding what is your body telling you. Is it telling you to push more? Is it telling you to release a little more? Is it telling you to go a little bit easier? So if you don't tune in to those subtle messages, you're actually missing the point of the asana practice. And this ability to tune in and listen and really listen to those subtle messages of the body translate to life. The universe around you is unfolding in a magical way as it should. And you're either forcing a certain level of perfection within that, or you're letting the universe sort of do its thing, and you're tuning into your subtle body to understand the push or pull, the release or letting go that you need to do in order for your life to flow in a smooth way. So I feel that the asana practice that we do, that tuning in and understanding and listening to those subtle messages of the body, are the exact same techniques and skills that you need to develop as you go through life. So as you go through life, you also tune in to the subtle messages that your body says, whether you should do something or not do something, whether you should pursue a certain path or not pursue a certain path. Food, for instance. Sometimes you'll put a plate of food in front of you and just mindlessly eat it because you're watching TV or reading a book or having a conversation. If you just tune in and listen to what your body is saying, you're going to get very subtle messages whether that food is nourishing for you or toxic for you. Same thing with people. Is that person nourishing to you or toxic to you? And by tuning into your body and listening to those subtle messages, you can make those decisions. So when you do your next asana practice, think about that subtle listening skill, cultivating that, and then applying that subtle listening to your everyday life. Thank you. Namaste.